Welcome back to our channel. Today we're delving into the world of blending with the NutriBullet ZNBF30400Z Blender. Get ready to embrace a healthier way of living with the blender. Features and benefits. It is equipped with a powerful 1200-watt motor that can blend through even the toughest ingredients. Enjoy smooth and consistent blends, whether you're making smoothies, soups, or sauces. This blender comes with a large 64-ounce pitcher, perfect for preparing batches for the whole family. Easily cater to the needs of your entire family. The blender offers multiple speed settings, allowing you to customize your blends according to your preferences. Achieve precise blending results by selecting the ideal speed for your ingredients. The unique Extractor Blade ensures that you can extract the maximum nutrients from your ingredients. Create nutrient. Rich drinks and recipes that contribute to your healthy lifestyle. Pros and cons of this product. A first pros is its versatile blending. From smoothies to soups, this blender handles a variety of recipes with ease. Powerhouse performance. The 1200-watt motor guarantees impressive blending performance no matter what you're preparing. Family size capacity. The large pitcher size is ideal for families or gatherings, saving you time on multiple batches. A first cons is that its larger size. Due to its larger pitcher size, the blender may require more storage space. Some users might find that the blender generates a moderate level of noise during operation. Average real customer rating is here. Click the link in the description below to get this product. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thanks for watching.